Is Paid Viewpoints legitimate? Can you really make money on it? Or is it just another one of those online scams? In today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how it works and how you can make real money. Stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacob Billet. I'm the CEO of Billet Enterprises, and today on my channel is a Wealth Wednesday. And so, first of all, I want to apologize. I'm on the road. I'm on one of my work laptops right now, so the quality isn't very good. If you do want to see some of my earlier videos, earlier this week or last week, you kind of see what the quality is. So if you're new here, bear with me. Again, I'm at a family member's house. I'll be here for a few days, and we're back on the road, back to Colorado. So again, you're here to look at Paid Viewpoint. So the website is www.paidviewpoint.com. I'm actually a huge advocate of survey sites for people that have the kind of time, that can't get a second job, that are stay-at-home moms or elderly, disabled, retired, whichever. You can actually monetize a lot of the stuff that you do throughout your day, and also get a few dollars here and there for doing little short surveys. But a lot of these survey sites have got a lot more to offer. Matter of fact, just to kind of scroll through, you can see that, like right here on my Swagbucks, and I've only been doing this for a few weeks and just doing an hour or two or so every other day or so. You can see that I've actually made $138 with Swagbucks. I've got another $41 pending. And this is just doing things that I do normally throughout the day, or purchases, or just doing little surveys, or answering things, or going to websites, or whichever. And you can see, like here on Inbox Dollars, I've made over $91, and I've also got probably about another $20 or $30 pending on that. And I just started doing the Paid Viewpoint. And the one thing on survey sites that irritates a lot of people is that they don't qualify for a lot of stuff. So you'll answer a few questions, you'll be there for a few minutes or whichever, going through the qualifying question that says, oh, well, you don't qualify, or the survey was filled up, or whichever. And so you waste a few minutes and you get maybe like a penny or something for your time. So that's kind of ineffective. But again, the more active you are in some survey sites, the more money that you will make and the more stuff you will qualify for, because they record a lot of your answers, and so they can keep passing relevant stuff. Paid Viewpoint, this is what Paid Viewpoint does really, really well. Matter of fact, when you go to Paid Viewpoint, right, and you sign up to your account, I'll actually link the websites in the description below, and you can go over through my link and you can take a look. So what you do is you answer some basic questions, they build a profile on you, and this is, again, what's really, really unique about paidviewpoint.com. So they actually will only send you surveys that you qualify for. Now, they don't send you a lot, and it actually took a few days for me to start getting a few things here and there. But every survey they send you, you qualify for. So you will make at least a minimum amount of money, and they don't spam your inbox like a lot of these other sites do. They will send you dozens of emails a day. And so that's something that, or that's one reason why, to a lot of people that want to get into this, make an alternate email account that you can send all these emails to, because you get spammed pretty hard. It is what it is. There's a lot of opportunities to make more money, but just let you know that you do get a lot of emails. With paidviewpoint.com, you really don't. Every email you get from them is something you qualify for. And I mean, their rewards range all the way up to $2, $3, $4 a survey, which again is really, really nice. And the surveys are short. You know, I think the longest survey I've taken was, I don't know, 10 minutes maximum, you know, and so you will make money doing this. Another really cool thing about Paid Viewpoint is that their payout is time-based. So for example, a survey will get sent out, say it's a $3 survey. Well, they'll send you the email, let you know about the survey. And then once the survey's open, the longer the survey's open for, say if you jump on the email and you take it right away, as soon as you get the email, right, you'll more than likely qualify for the higher tier, the maximum payout, if you will, for that survey. However, if they send you the email and you respond, say 6, 7, 8 hours later, well, because it's been out so long and they've already gotten so many answers, your rewards are decreased. So that's another really cool thing about this, that if you can jump on it right away and take it right away, you will make a lot more, you'll get a lot more bang for your buck. And there's also another really interesting thing about paidviewpoint.com, and you can take a look at right here. It's called the trait score. So the trait score on paidviewpoint.com actually gives you more money for your answers. So you've been there longer, your answers are of quality, you're not fraudulent, you don't have multiple fraudulent accounts or whatever, and so it's like a karma. And so the higher that your trait score is, the more you'll be rewarded for doing surveys, more than, say, new people or people that don't have genuine answers. And so the more honest that you are, because again, they sell your information, they sell your answers to make money. They want to keep people like that more involved with their site. And so they keep you on board. They reward you by paying you more so you can continue giving them a good service and giving them a good item or a good asset, your knowledge, your trends, like your habits, whichever, that's an asset to them that they can sell and make more money off of your answers. And so that's a really, really cool thing about this. So, again, it's really simple. You sign up for it, you get involved, they take the information in, you build your profile, and then they'll start sending you stuff. Now, the more loyal and the more surveys and stuff that you do with them, they will reward you more and more and more with you being active and building up your trait score, the whole 9 yards. So it definitely behooves you that if you do have some free time and you do some other survey sites, and that's the thing too, is you want to stack survey sites, right? So you want to stack because you'll get a lot of different things and a lot of stuff you won't qualify for. So with Paid Viewpoint, for example, you know that when you get some from them, you're going to get qualified for and you're going to make money on. But they don't send you that volume. So use this with other survey sites like Inbox Dollars and Swagbucks, which are my two favorites. Toluna Influencer is another really good one as well. So again, this is all about during your downtime just making an extra few dollars here and there. And I've only done a few surveys here. I think I've done, I don't know, 5 or 6, and I'm at, almost $13. So not a lot, but again, it takes me just a few minutes. When I go to the bathroom or whatever, I'm sitting on the pot or whatever, I'll open it up on my phone. Boom, I'm getting paid by sitting on the pot. Whatever. However you can incorporate it. This isn't a get-rich-quick thing. However, doing Paid Viewpoints as well as a couple other sites, making an extra $500-600 a month is not hard. Matter of fact, I actually did an experiment to show people how to make $500 or more a month using these kind of sites. So the money's very real. The opportunity's very real. Again, very easy site. It's got an easy layout. You've got, looking at your earnings. Then you got demographics that you can look at. So these are the different things that you fill in. So I'll click on demographics here. It's going to show you, birthday, where you're at, what you do, whichever, gender. And then you have your trade score, which is where we're at. And so you want to get it up to 9,000. 9,000 when you get the maximum payouts for everything, as well as qualifying for more stuff. They do have a cool referral program, so you can sign up and be active and do things, and you can refer people as well, and that can earn you up to $25 for each referral. So just doing that and screwing around on it, here and there, making a few bucks. If you know anybody else, friends or family, whatever, that's interested in Paid Viewpoint, you can actually send your referral link over and you can make up to $25 for every person that you bring in. So that's just another way to make a little bit of extra income, some more disposable income that you can invest or pay down debts or whatever, so you can start acquiring that wealth that you're working so hard for. And then obviously you have your settings and you can change or do whatever. So again, guys and gals, this is Paid Viewpoints. I've been happy with it. I have not had something sent to me that I did not qualify for. The only thing that's happened to me when it comes to getting qualified is that I have gone onto a survey that I got like a day or two late. That I was checking my email or I got busy or whatever, and so I went there late and it was filled up, which after a few days, I mean, that's kind of understandable. I didn't feel like I was getting screwed around with my time. So again, guys and gals, this is Paid Viewpoint. Have you guys ever used it before? What do you think? Sign up for it if this is something that you feel that you can make a little bit of extra money on. Matter of fact, and they also, just as a side note, they do have a minimum of a $15 amount in your Paid Viewpoint to get your payout. So you need to at least make $15 before you pull out. Again, shouldn't be that difficult. So let me know what you think. If you sign up, if you've done a couple of things, let me know in the comments below. If this is something that interests you, if you feel like you're making a little bit extra money on, which you can, let me know. Sign up through the link. Get a hold of me. Get a hold of me on Facebook or any other way if you have any other questions. And I will do my best to help you give your money just a little bit more muscle, which is what this channel is all about. So again, thank you all. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. This was recorded Thanksgiving Eve 2019. And I will catch you all later.